Hey everyone! Today, we're excited to show you how to do keyword research using store SEO for your Shopify store. Let's make this fun and straightforward. Before we dive in, please ensure store SEO is installed and activated on your Shopify store. Got that set? Perfect, let's get to it. From your Shopify dashboard, head to the Apps section and select Store SEO. Once you're there, find the Optimize SEO option, click it, and choose the product you'd like to focus on for keyword research. It's super simple so far, right? Now, you'll notice a panel with a focus keyword field. Next to it, there's a Keyword Analytics button, give that a click. Store SEO will display key details like search volume, cost per click, and paid difficulty for your chosen keyword. Even better, we'll show you a list of related keywords with the same metrics. Browse through them, pick the one that feels perfect for your product, and hit the Insert button. Just like that, your selected keyword will pop into the Focus Keywords section, complete with all the analytics you need. Next, let's spread that keyword across your meta description, meta title, and URL. As you do this, you'll see the optimization score climb, letting you know you're on the right track. Once everything looks good, hit Save. And there you have it. That's how we do keyword research for a Shopify store using Store SEO. It's quick, effective, and honestly kind of fun. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more helpful tips in our next video. Catch you soon.